Okay, everyone, hello out there. This is DayTraderRockStar for Tuesday, February 12th, 2 days away from St. Valentine's Day. So you guys out there, don't let that one slip by. No Valentine's Day trades for you, but we got some good ones for you. I had to leave the market early today. I had to take care of some personal business, so I'm sorry I left early. I might have to leave early again tomorrow because I do have a serious issue here with my pet being sick and in the hospital getting surgery. So I apologize that if you don't see me tomorrow, like at certain times, it's because I had to run out and do something like that. All right, so let's get on. Starting off with the S&P today, ended actually, it was a very interesting day. We had an inside day on Friday and Thursday, and today we had another inside. Basically we stayed in that pattern. This is actually starting to turn out to be an interesting pattern, something called a boomer, or I take that from Jeff Cooper's terminology. When you have previous follow-up inside days, and this last day actually went a little bit lower than the low of Friday, so it kind of doesn't qualify there, but it does stay within the low of Thursday, which makes it a very good possibility. A break of Thursday's high or low, we're going to get a nice move out of that. So we're going to keep this trade intact. A break of either way, a break up or a break down of either the high or low of last Thursday. And that's that. You just get that on your daily chart, and you'll see it's either 13.19 on the low side or 13.45 on the high side, basically. So you can write those numbers down, and we'll watch that. Other than that, we're going to watch just the market overall. Watch again. I pretty much nailed the market today on the 5-minute chart. I should actually do a whole video on that. Just a whole video on the 5-minute chart and how we played the statistics and the pivot points, and just pretty much called each bottom and each top and pull back, and it was really good for trading until I had to leave, and then I stopped making the calls here. So let's go on to some stocks right here. Like in Starbucks at this level, I do think we're really getting close. The statistics here, which I'm very interested in, is getting down to the 20 level here. This one's starting to really look interesting. I love this downward trend in this stock right here, and we're almost trying to break it. I do believe this one's going to get a nice move up. We definitely get a point move in this one coming very soon, maybe even a 2-point move. I'm holding my Starbucks. I'll probably even accumulate a little bit more tomorrow, but this is one of my best bets going into tomorrow. I'll move on Starbucks, SBUX, one of my best bets. All right, let's take a look. I started a position today on Pfizer. Yes, I did. Pfizer, I started a position today right at 22.08. Again, I find this one a very good buy right around the $22 area. We actually sold off around 12 o'clock, and we got down to 22, right under 22.05. I actually caught it on its first bounce. I said, well, you know what? I got a 22.08, and it went up a little. It's just I only took 50 shares into it, but I want to continue adding to this position because I do like this pullback. We had a beautiful pullback in this stock. And let me bring up this thing. It's a little annoying thing here, but it looks like we have a nice reverse. Starting to get a little reversal there. It looks really good. I like Pfizer here. I think everyone should start adding some positions on Pfizer here at this level. Again, I also added to started a position in Shield today. Again, we still had the mirror image buy low from a few days back, but we have a nice inside day. So this is actually turned into a nice trade. I do believe we're going to get a move up to 110. So I started a 50 share buy of Shield today also. I think I got that at 101.06, $101.06. Yahoo, I bought pre-market on the Microsoft News. That was nice. Dynegy, I am holding Dynegy, but I like the chart today, so I want to show you a little bit about that. See if you guys are interested. Nice up volume today right here. A nice pullback to the 20-period moving average, and we bounced right off of that. And I like the increase in volume, so I'm looking for a continued move tomorrow. Looking for $8 in Dynegy short term here. Again, it's not a big mover, but it's an interesting trade, a cheap trade for those out there looking for cheap trades, and a good beginner stock if you want to get into a stock and try some first trades and stuff. Another one in the oil sector, Valero. I like this one also. We have a 2-day consolidation on Valero. If you look at the 15-minute chart, you have this nice move here, right there. So Valero looks like 59.25. I'll be adding to my position. I also have a little Valero too. So I actually have quite a few small positions I picked up last week. Again, I just add to them. You know, when I see them dip down, I like to add to them 50 shares, 50 shares. Eventually get up about 300, 400 shares in a trading position. Look for 2 to 3 points in the trade, and then bail out and just move on, and just keep on continuing to trade that way. So looking at 52.25 for a move up on Valero, DAR, Darling. I actually did sell this one, but this one still looks good. On a daily chart here, we're right back up to the 1250 area. This bar right here is a bastard bar. There we go. 1260. It looks really good. We just get above, I think, yesterday's high, and we're on our way. So watch for DAR above 1263, and that should be a nice move too. Another pretty cheap stock. Motorola, love Motorola here. MOT, nice little pull, pull back. I actually bought some Motorola a few days ago, right around this level. It's starting to move up now, and I like this level. I think everyone should own a little Motorola too. Again, just scale in if you don't want to. These are good. These are swing trade positions. Looking for nice moves in these. I do think the market's going to get a rally soon. And if we could break to the upside of that inside day, we're going to get a nice rally soon. If we break to the downside, then we get a downside rally. So anything goes. But these stocks right here are cheap. That's why, the market's not telling you a direction yet. So that way you don't want to jump in too big. But you definitely want to start taking some positions in these cheap stocks in case the market tries to get away from you. XMSR. It's the last one for today. What is this? I messed that one up. XMSR. Like to consolidate. This is an interesting chart here because I love when a stock comes up and actually makes a pattern here. We got a little cup and handle here, a little cup, a little handle, and we see the cup handle consolidation. The lip of the cup and handle is basically at 1320, but it also corresponds with this moving average right here. So you want to actually, this is a 200 period moving average. And you want to just, let me double check that because sometimes these charts get all skewed up here. So let me just double check, make sure that is. Yep, that is the 200 period moving average there. And this is very interesting because if we get a pop above this, we should get that nice little pop, and that's probably going to come on some news or a rumor. They're going to start the rumor and get this thing popping, and I'll probably blow out of it into that news. So watch XMSR for a volume spike above 1320. Definitely could get a nice run up to $14. And it'll probably be on some type of rumor of the XM Sirius satellite radio deal. So that's about it. I want to thank everyone for signing up for the newsletter. Don't forget there's a new newsletter I have out. If you go to www.daytradingradio.com, you'll see it. It's called 10 for 1,000. It's a special newsletter that I'm going to be doing. And what it's basically is, it's 10 stocks for the week that are going to earn you $100 a trade based on profit projection, entry point, stop loss. And if you trade each of them, get the profit projection, you can make $1,000 a week trading this top 10 list. And it's very conservative, only looking for $100 gain in each of these stocks. And it's going to be a great list. It's already taken off. So definitely, if you haven't signed up yet, definitely sign up for it. And again, I'll be on the air tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock until earnings, after earnings. And I hope, except tomorrow, I do probably have to go out on an emergency, as my dog is having surgery, severe surgery and stuff, so I might have to leave. But either way, I look forward to trading with you in the morning, and I'll see you in the morning. Everyone have a good day, and I hope you did well today. I'm out of here.